Hi, my name is Anna. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Salto's new CI/CD capabilities for your NetSuite deployments. This feature will enable your team to capture all deployments going into NetSuite in one centralized pipeline, so you can track and manage them more efficiently and see all the changes from both NetSuite admins and developers on your team. To start using this feature, first you need to enable pull requests in your settings. Once it's done, Salto will generate a pull request in your connected Git repository for every deployment. You also need to locate your CI configuration files, which you can create separately using virtually any CI tool. You can find a few CI job configuration samples for different CI tools in our Help Center. Let's have a look at how it works. I'm going to create a new deployment, for example, to move a NetSuite client script from my sandbox to production. I don't want to push any errors to my live environment, so in this example, I'll run a CI job verifying that my Salto deployment doesn't have any missing dependencies, and I also want to approve this change with one of my teammates. This is a very simple example of what you can do by connecting Salto to your CI pipeline. In reality, you can build any flow you want. For example, run unit tests. Please note that I'm purposely not selecting missing dependencies here in order to show you how our gating mechanism works. I'm going to click on Preview, and that's when Salto generates a pull request for this deployment. You can see that the status of the pull request is pending. Until it changes to Ready, the Deploy button in Salto will be disabled. Let's have a look at my pull request. I'm using GitHub, but you can integrate Salto with any other Git provider. Okay, I see that all checks failed. If I open my CI job, I can see that the problem is missing dependencies in my deployment. Now let's go back to Salto and fix that. I'm selecting all missing dependencies and clicking Preview again. Salto will update this pull request, and in GitHub we can see that the job is running again. This time it's successful. I still need to approve the change with one of my colleagues, so I choose them as a reviewer in Git. By the way, you can automate this step so that the review is triggered automatically once other jobs run successfully. Once this change is approved, in Git the pull request status will change to Ready, and the Deploy button will be enabled. I can see that my deployment was reviewed and approved, which means I can have a peace of mind when I move this new client script with all required dependencies to production. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful.